Hello to all my dear lovely kids. How are you all? I just hope that you all are fit, fine and healthy at your home and also enjoying at your place. Isn't it? Okay. So children, I welcome you again to the online video class of computers and I am Meenakshi Kothiyal, your computer children. I just hope that you all have not forget it. Okay? You all have remembered me. Very good. So children, today I'll be going to start with the new syllabus of your final exam. Okay, the syllabus we have covered that will not come in your final exam. Okay, so now from today onwards we'll start with the new syllabus. Okay, and children, before starting with the new chapter, with the new syllabus, I would like to discuss some points with you. Okay, here I have written some special notes. The first one is submit your assignments on time. Now children, it is mandatory. It is compulsory for you all that you all have to submit your assignments on time and you have to be regular. Okay, watch the video very carefully and note down the questions and answer them in a proper way. Okay, your handwriting should be neat and clean because at the last we will give you marks for your assignments. Okay children, and this time also in half-yearly exams I have found that many of the students have not sent me the assignments till first assignment. Okay, so children, I would like to request you all that you all have to send me the assignments on a regular basis. Okay, now the next point is mention your name, assignment number at the top of your homework. Whatever homework has been given to you, you have to mention your name. It's compulsory. Otherwise, how would I come to know? Because someone else has sent me the email of yours, so how would I come to know that it is who is the student if they have not written the name? Okay, so it would be very troublesome for us to find out the children about the student who has sent us the assignment. Okay children, so it is compulsory to mention your name, assignment number also, because we are not here to find out your assignments, which assignment you are sending us, because few students they send us late assignments, so they do not mention the assignment number. It would be very difficult for us to find out which assignment they have sent us, so we have to go through the Padhe Bharat and we have to look onwards that which homework they are sending us. Okay, so please mention your assignment number on your notebook. Okay, whatever homework has been given to you, just mention your name, assignment number and then note down the question answers. And still if you have found any difficulty in writing down the answers of any question, so watch the video very carefully, because the teachers have tried her best to sort out your problems in her video. Okay, we are sending you the video so that your problems can be sorted out. You can find out the answers of your questions. Okay, so I would request you all to do your assignments in a very neat and clean handwriting, because we'll score you marks for that. At the last, isn't it? At the same way we have given you the marks for your assignments in half-yearly, the same way we'll give you the marks in your annual exam also. Okay children, now this is my mail ID on which you have to send the homework. DVPS Jory 1989 computer125@gmail.com. Many of the parents have this issue that they are sending the homeworks, they are sending the assignments, but still it does not get reached to the teacher. It is because only if you have written the wrong address, if you have missed any spelling from this email ID, your homework will not reach to us. Okay, so be careful while sending your homework. You have to write down each and every word of the email ID in a proper way. If it is written in small letter, you have to write down all the words in small letter. Okay, because if a single dot is misplaced, if a single symbol is misplaced, your mail will not reach to us. Okay, so be careful while sending the mails. Okay children, now it's time to study. This is your book ICSE Understanding Computer Studies. Okay, so today we will start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 5, mouse and input device. Okay children, so let's get started with the introduction part. Now let's first discuss what is a mouse. Okay, a mouse, it is an input device. What is a mouse? Yes, it is an input device. Why it is called an input device, children? Because it is used to enter the data and instructions into the computer system. Okay, we feed information into the computer system. So that is why mouse is known as the input device. Okay, children. Now, it has long tail like wire connected to USB port. USB. Do you know what is a USB? First of all, we learn the full form of USB. What is the full form of USB? U stands for universal. U-N-I, uni, V-E-R, ver, S-A-L, sal, universal. S stands for serial. S-E-R-I-A-L, serial. B stands for bus. B-U-S. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. Now children, do you know what is a USB? See, if you are having a computer CPU. See, at the back of the CPU, there are many ports. Okay. See, these ports are called USB port. Universal Serial Port. Okay. Let me show you. See children, this is a laptop. Okay. This is a laptop. As you can see, here are the USB ports. Here are the USB ports. Now, why do we use this USB ports? See children, if we want to attach our mouse, our keyboard to a computer, so we attach it with the help of a cable, and we have to insert this cable into the USB port. So, a USB port helps us to attach our computer mouse, our keyboard to the computer. Okay, children? See, this is a wired mouse. Okay, this is having a interface cable. This is called what? Cable. Okay, now how do we attach this mouse to a laptop? See, this is how we attach. We insert this plug into the USB port of a computer. See, children? Now, a computer mouse is attached, wired mouse is attached to a laptop. This is the same way you can also attach a wired mouse to a CPU of a computer. Okay, children. So, what is the full form of USB? Universal Serial Bus. Next is, it is used to select or point an object. Now, children, a computer mouse is used to select or point an object on the computer screen. If you want to select any program, any app in your computer system, you have to use a computer mouse. Okay, it is kept on the mouse pad. See children, this is the computer mouse pad, okay, on which we place a mouse. Okay, you cannot place a mouse on a rough surface, so we use a mouse pad. Okay. And here comes our new topic, types of computer mouse. How many types of computer mouse are there? Yes, children, 2 types of. What are they? Mouse attached with a cord. What is a cord? Wire. Cord means wire. Okay. We can also call it wired mouse. A mouse which is a wire attached to it is called a wired mouse. Okay. Now the next is cordless mouse. We can also call it wireless mouse. Now let us discuss about them one by one. Okay, children, this is a wired mouse. Generally, it has 4 parts. What are they? This is called left button. What it is called? Left button. And this is called right button. This portion is called right button. Now what is this? This part is known as the scroll wheel. Okay, children? And this is known as the cord, or you can say wire. Okay, children? Now the left button, we use a left button to click or select an object on the screen.
See children, this is the left button. It is used to select and click the objects on the monitor.
Now this is the right button. We use this right button to show the list of commands. If we click on this right button, few commands have shown on the computer screen. Okay.
See children, this is the right button. When you click on it, it will display a list of commands. You can select and perform the specific task.
Now, this is the scroll wheel. Now, use of the scroll wheel, a scroll wheel is used to move the screen of a computer up and down.
See children, this
This is
is the
how a
scroll wheel.
cordless
It
mouse
helps to move the
looks.
pages
Okay.
up and down, as you can see on the
It
screen.
is also having the same part as of the wired mouse, but there is a difference. Okay, it is not having any wire attached to it. That is why it is called wireless mouse. And this is how a cordless mouse look. It is not having any wire attached to it. That is why it is called wireless or cordless mouse. Okay, children. Now, do you know that how do you connect this mouse to a computer? As we know that a wired mouse is connected to a computer through wire. Okay, we have to plug that cable, that wire, into the USB port of a computer. But how do we connect this wireless mouse to a computer? See children, for this we need a Bluetooth device. What do we need? A Bluetooth device. A small Bluetooth device is attached to the computer. It is connected to a computer through the USB port. Okay, a small Bluetooth device is connected to this mouse. Okay, we do not use any wire. It is a network established between a computer and a mouse, wireless mouse. Okay, so that Bluetooth device helps this cordless mouse to attach with a computer. This is the next topic, that is holding a mouse. You should know that how to hold a mouse. Okay, now children, for this I do write with my right hand. Okay, if I do write something, I use my right hand. So I am a right-handed person. Who am I? I am a right-handed person because I write with this hand. I do most of my work with this right hand. Okay, so I am a right-handed person. So how a right-handed person hold a mouse? We hold a mouse like this. Okay, so children, now children, this is our thumb, this is our index finger, this is our middle finger, this is our middle finger. Okay, now how do we place our fingers on a mouse? We place our index finger on the left button. This is the left button. This is the left button. Okay, and how this is my middle finger. This is my middle finger. I do place it on the right button. Okay, and I use my rest of the fingers and my thumb to hold the mouse. See, I have hold the mouse with my thumb and my rest of the fingers, and I have placed my index finger on the left button and middle finger on the right button. Okay, so this is how I hold a mouse, and I move the mouse on a mouse pad. Okay, here I am moving it on the whiteboard, but for this, for moving a mouse, for the smooth movement of a mouse, you have to use a mouse pad. You place it on the mouse pad and then move it. Okay, so this is how you hold a mouse. I am a right-handed person, so I hold a mouse like this. Okay, now what about the left-handed person? Left-handed person means the person who write with the left hand. I am not the left-handed person, but still the students, the people who write with their left hand, how they hold the mouse? They hold the mouse like this. Now see children, this is how they hold the mouse. They thumb and the rest of the finger is used to hold the mouse. Okay, and a left-handed person placed his index finger on the right button, okay, and middle finger on the left button. Okay children, index finger on the right button and middle finger on the left button. Okay, so this is how a left-handed person hold the mouse. Okay. Okay children, so this is enough for today. I just hope that you all have understood the topic very well. Okay, we'll cover the rest of the topic in our next module. Till then, stay safe and stay home. Okay, children? Bye. Take care.